everyone. So last night I was teaching a year 12 and that student was trying to solve this basic linear equation as was fumbling. What that student did was took that 2 to the other side and said x plus 1 equals to 5 on 2, which means x equals to 5 on 2 take away 1, which is nothing but you times 2 on both the sides, so that becomes 3 on 2. So the answer that he gave me was 3 and 2. Now this is absolutely wrong. Now let's understand what is the right way or what is the right approach to solve this. There's a very basic principle to solve any linear equation. I need to get rid of all my coefficients and the constant terms which are attached to my variable on the left hand side and take them to the right hand side and make this variable as subject. So if I have something like x equals to, that's my answer. So what all do I have on my left hand side? I've got this 2 which is multiplying x, and I've got a constant 1 basically which is adding to this 2x equals to 5. So the right approach is get rid of this 1 first. So you take away 1 on both the sides. So when you take away 1 on both the sides, 1 cancels and your equation becomes 2x equals to 5 minus 1 is 4, which eventually means that now you just have a 2 which is multiplying your x. So you do the reverse operation again on both the sides. And now this 2 cancels. 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So x is nothing but 2. Now let's just go back here in this scenario and try to figure out what went wrong here. So if I really want to get rid of this 2, I need to do the reverse operation on both the sides. So if I have 2x plus 1 equals to 5 and I want to get rid of this 2 first, divide this 2 on both the sides across. Now separate the terms, which means 2x over 2 plus half equals to 5 on 2. And now 2 cancels in the x. So you're left with x plus half equals to 5 on 2. Now you have x plus half equals to 5 on 2. Get rid of this half exactly the way we were getting rid of that 1 on top. So I take negative half here, which eventually becomes now half gone, and you're left with x equals to, which is all alone on the left hand side, equals to 5 on 2 take away 1 on 2, which is nothing but x is 4 on 2, which is nothing but 2. So you see, we eventually got exactly the same answers. So just stick to the basic principles of linear equations and I tell you, you will never go wrong. Thanks for watching.